Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to remove background noise in CapCut PC. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and show you this clip of mine right here. This is actually me just recording this audio or video using OBS Studio. So I'm just going to go ahead and extract the audio because for the video, there's not much need of us for it. So I'm going to delete that one and then we're just going to cut this one. There you go. And then delete this part right here. And then from this point forward, say for example, you have your audio already, you're just going to have to click on it. After clicking on it, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one here, loudness normalization. That is because my audio is actually very low. But in your case, if the levels are already okay, then there's no need for it. Now, once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and scroll down even more and you should see something like this, noise reduction. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this one. As you can see, it says here, noise reduced. So yep, that is the very simple step in getting rid of background noise in your audio. So congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to get this done. Should you wish to see more of these, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.